Won't turn on.
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Cuisinart toast oven air fryer.
How long has this been going on with your Cuisinart oven? What have you tried so far?
Model TOA-60.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
This problem started a few days ago.
Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is ready to assist you today. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble. I know that can be frustrating. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. How old is it?
Maybe 2 years old. I think the issue is the button that senses when the door is open. It seems to think it is always open. Do you know if these can be replaced?
Okay, please hold on. I will review your model number.
TOA-60.
Did you see the red power button light turned on? This is the symptom for door switch failure. Please watch this video https://www.youtube.com/watch v=b_j-tvik.
Watching now. This was the original symptom, yes. However, now it won't turn on at all. So the symptom has changed a bit. We were wondering if it might have affected a fuse.
Do you mean there is no power indicator lights up now?
Testing again. One moment, please. Correct. No power lights now. It flickered and went off again when we tried to toggle the door switch.
Okay, try to turn on the light and press the door switch manually using your hand. If you press the door switch, does the power light and oven light turn on?
No.
The door switch is faulty, stuck on open contact. Unfortunately, I can't find the door switch replacement. You can bypass the door switch, just connect the 2 wires from the switch. However, you need to be extra careful when you're using it. You need to unplug the oven and turn it off and on when using it. The oven is still working even you open the door. I think you understand how bypassing the switch works.
Thank you. Do we need to disassemble the oven to bypass the switch?
Yes. You need to disassemble the oven to access the door switch wires.
Thank you.
Hello, I see you gave me a negative rating even though I gave you the correct information. Is there any part of my answer that you need clarification on? I hope you reconsider the rating. Please advise and thank you for your time. You can re-rate again at any time. Thanks, Chester.
Sorry. Meant to give 5 stars, did it not record that way?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.